From rough to refined, meviy powered by MISUMI takes another leap forward in precision. You can now select grinding and fine finish directly within the quoting screen. No extra drawings, no back and forth. Grinding delivers tighter flatness and wear resistance. Fine finish achieves a refined aesthetic surface, down to raw 0.4 with plus minus 0.01mm tolerance. And that's not all. 3 new materials and 4 advanced surface treatments expand your possibilities. From Nitriding and Electroless nickel to hard and clear Anodise, plus MC Nylon, SKD11 and Aluminium 5083, every option is ready to quote instantly. Each choice updates your quote in seconds, delivering tighter control, durability, and design-ready finishes, all in one platform. From robotics and optical systems to cleanroom components, precision now meets visual perfection. One quote, one platform, infinite precision.